Okay, guys, here is the complete spread. What we got, babe?
You name it. We ain't cooked a cat or a dog, but we got greens, macaroni and cheese, our stuffing.
Yeah.
We got turkey stuffed, wrapped in bacon, sweet potato pie with some kind of cream thing on it,
Cream thing.
turkey gravy, mixed vegetables that are sauteed because they're going to go on with the mashed potatoes, and then my mom's recipe for potato salad with, of course, my twist.
Yay!
So everything's ready.
Yeah, I don't see the greens on the table.
They're right there, ain't they?
No, that's dressing.
Well, I don't.
Ain't no room for the greens.
Well,
There's no room for the greens. And guys, here is the 2-ingredient sweeter potato pie. The whipped cream is melting, guys. But anyway, I wanted to show you how it turned out. Wait, what?
Then the numerous ingredients potato salad.
Oh, yeah. And this is how it turned out, guys. Yeah. Oh, it looks like it's melting. Okay, guys. Oh, wait. I think my husband is going to bring the greens in so you can see them. All right, just hold it. Okay.
We got no room on the table.
We don't have any room on the table, but here's the greens, guys. So I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe. I hope everybody's happy and enjoying the day. And even though this last part of the video is going to be late, from my family to yours, happy Thanksgiving. Now tell me, that's not enough to feed several hungry bellies. Happy eating. Okay, bye for now.
Thank you.